Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an event on Facebook. Do you guys want to make an event with your Facebook friends? Okay, let's make an event. First, open your Facebook app and tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. Now select events. Then tap on this plus icon here. Okay, now we are going to create an event. Here we can add an image to our event cover. And here we can give a name. So I give a name to my event. Give a start date and time to the event here. And if you want, you can add end time also. Now tap on this option called is it in person or virtual and select one of them. If you want to make the event person, give a location where it will be held. Do you want to make this event in virtual? Select virtual. Here you can set the privacy of this event. Add some details of your event and tap on create event. Okay, we created the event successfully. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.